Mm, I'm sure that many of you are familiar with Flash movies, but you don't know how to make them, sure. Or maybe you have trouble, and if you already do, you really have no need for watching this, because if you do know how to make some, you'll see how extremely inferior I am to you, because I'm not very good at it. I just know the basics, and I can teach you the basics of what you would need to learn how to make a simple Flash movie. Our Flash movie will include just a little head with eyes and mouth move. I'm going to teach you about moving multiple things at the same time, and how that each moving element has to be on a different layer if it ever opens. Okay, so this is our Flash interface. It's opening eventually. So we have to go to create new Flash document. We'll take the pen tool and start drawing something like a round head. Okay, that's not a very good head. Okay, just gonna use the selection tool, select everything, go to modify, convert to symbol. You have to convert everything to a symbol, it's a lot easier. If you do, and it goes into your library, you have to save it as a movie clip. Now, whenever I want to add a new moving element, I'm gonna have to create a new layer using this button right here. Create a pupil. So let's just call it eye. Press F8 to do it. Shortcut key. Okay, new layer, because I'm putting a new eye pupil thing. Because we need one in each eye. 2, new layer, mouth, selected, mouth, new layer. I'll do eyebrows too. Because it's this on the same side as the other one. And yet another one. So, I have all of the things that I want on here, and everything that's gonna move. So now, up here, this is our frames showing like the movement and the time. It's the timeline. Let's insert a keyframe. I'm gonna do mine 40. Sounds like a good thing. A keyframe indicates a change in the picture. So we need to add a keyframe on every layer. So now we can start moving things. So we'll move this over here maybe. Okay, so his eyes have shifted position. We'll make his mouth kind of move down a lot. Kind of like a look of curiosity. I guess we're trying to invoke. Okay. So we've got all that done. Create a motion tween. And what a motion tween is, I'm just right clicking, doing create motion tween on frame 39 right before the keyframe. What a motion tween does is allows the each piece to glide. That that effect that we see in most Flash movies. I'm not gonna add any more. Show you this basic thing. Normally, whenever creating a Flash movie, you're gonna wanna get it back into its original position, or in a way that will create it a looping constant thing, unless if you're making a movie with action script, which I'm not going to cover, but it's kind of like an animated GIF file, whatever. So I'm going to go to Control, Test Movie to see what I've done exporting, and this is the effect that we achieve. As I said, you want to make it kind of like a gradual loop, so I have to reposition everything in some more frames so it doesn't just reset instantly. So it would be a smoother motion, but that's generally the idea of moving many things. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Perhaps I'll be able to explain it to you. I'm afraid to say I don't know too much about, ActionScript and making Flash movies like you see all the time, but I'm sure that if you look hard enough, you could find some great tutorials. This is just basics, just to get you started. Alright, and that's it.